Hello, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. It's always a pleasure having your company. I'm just going to do a quick end of month check-in for April of my spends and no spends. First of all, I'm going to tackle the unbudgeted spending, and then I will do the budget spending. Then I will do all my no spend days. For the unbudgeted, I think I spent quite a few pounds. I spent on the 2nd £8 my Multi-Poo detangling spray for his hair, and on the 3rd was £75 for the glass that I had to replace because my car got broken into, so that was at excess of £75. And then on the 13th I spent £20 on 2 books, one for me and one for my friend. And then on the 14th I spent £18 on some nail files, the electric one for my nails. And then I spent £5 on a bottle opener. On the 16th, oh, do beg your pardon, on the 15th I spent £11 on Archie's pedigree mini treats, and I got myself a steamer for the clothes, you know, the one that you can steam while the clothes are on the hanger. That was £30. And then I got myself some binder clips, which was £10. Then on the 17th I got a Thunder shirt for Archie, which was £30, and I got some dice for £4 on Amazon. I also got myself a nail dryer as well, not a gel one, just a normal one, just because I want to give my nails a break from the gel, but I still want to paint them. So I got myself a nail dryer for the normal nail polish, the regular nail polish. And then on the 22nd the nail dryer was £36, and on the 22nd I spent £15 on a mattress cover. On the 27th I got another Thunder shirt, and I'll tell you what the Thunder shirts are in a minute. So the Thunder shirts are these little coats that you put onto your dog, and it's supposed to help with anxiety, travel anxiety, you know, separation anxiety. It wraps around them like a nice like a hug. That's how the makers has explained it, and it's lovely. I got one for Archie and it's really, really nice. He is just so settled. It stops them from jumping on your visitors as well. I don't like when my dog jumps on my visitors. I don't think it's nice because not everyone likes that. I also got my daughter's Multi-Poo one as well, the Thunder shirts. They're really, really good. It relaxes him. He is just in such a nice mood when he has his Thunder shirt on. Let me just calculate up how much my unbudgeting spending was. £297 that I spent for unbudgeting. And for the budgeting that I spent for April, on the 3rd was a random act of kindness. On the 4th, £945 was for my bed and mattress, and £1.52 for Etsy. On the 6th, another random act of kindness for £14. And then on the 15th I bought a travel plug for £12, and then on the 25th I spent £2.40 with Etsy and also £18, and then on the 28th I spent £25 with Etsy. So let's see how much I spent for that. That's what I spent, so that's £1,032. That's supposed to be 32 and 92 pence. Wait, 132.92. So in total I'll just add the 297, the unbudgeted 297. In total I spent £1,329.92. I'm going to just put that there. 1,329.92. I don't think that's bad, because this is from January. This has been the biggest spend that I have done. So let's just move on to the no spends. On the 1st was no spend, 5th no spend, 8th no spend, 9th, 10, 11 no spend, 12th no spend, 16th, 20th, 23rd no spend, 24th, 26th, 29th and 30th no spends. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 days of no spend, and I think that is really, really good. The unbudgeted money has come out of the buffer that I normally have in my account, just in case of emergency, just to cover myself. I always have £50 buffer in the account, so that has been cleaned out with the unbudgeted spends. And also this is all out of my savings, not my savings challenges, from my savings in my bank account. So I really would like to replace that £297. So I'm going to work on that and see if I can get myself a manageable savings challenge to put in a few pounds a week or whatever, just to try and recuperate that £297, because I've got a feeling that I'm not going to be spending that kind of unbudgeted money for the next few months. I'm not going to. I mean it. Everything here that I purchased was necessary. Well, I hope this has helped someone who is trying to save and trying to be accountable for where their money is going week to week, day to day or month to month. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell in order to receive notifications as to when I upload my new videos. Take care of your good selves. Bye for now. Bye.